Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope everything is going great with you all. And today I thought of doing something traditional, so I ended up doing this look here, which is a very pretty, gorgeous, smoky, glittery eye look with the twist of tradition in it. And this you can wear it in your mehndi ceremony or sangeet ceremony or as a guest in any wedding. So yeah, here it is, and if you want to know how I created this, then keep on watching. So here I have already applied my sun coat, that is the sunscreen lotion, and now for moisturizer I am applying this white seed lotion from the Face Shop all over my face and neck. Now take some sellotape and apply it in the outer corner of your eye so that you get the sharp edge. So here I am done with the sellotape to get that sharp edge, and let's move further. To prime my eyelids I am using here the concealer from Maybelline, and that is the eye eraser concealer, and it's in the shade 110 Fair, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid so that it will prime my eyelid and make ready for the eyeshadow. And now I'm blending it with the Wet Beauty Blender. And now to set the concealer, I'm using here the setting powder from Maybelline, and it's in the shade 20 light medium, and again I'm applying it with my Wet Beauty Blender. So our eyes are nicely prepped for the eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow palette I'm using today is Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. Now I'm taking the two shades, that is the Blazing and Amber, these two shades combined, and start applying it in my crease area, and this will act as the transition shade. Now by taking a slightly angled fluffy brush, I am taking this color Saffron, and I will be applying it just in the crease line, just below the color that we have applied earlier. And now by taking the same concealer, I am going to cut the crease a little bit. That is it. And now I'm gonna apply this green color. It's a mehndi green, or you can say the mint green color from Faces Canada, and it's a pigment. And so yeah, I will be applying it with the same brush. And now to intensify my outer V corner of the eyes, I am using the color Odd, that is the dark brown color from the palette, and I am using here the pencil brush and just placing the color right now in the outer corner of my eyelid. And to line my eyelids, I'm using the gel liner from L'Oreal, and it's in the black color, and I'm applying it with the same brush it comes with. As you know, I like glitters a lot, so I just thought to add a little bit of sparkle to the look. So here I am using the glitters from Faces Canada, and I will be using this golden color, this one, golden glitters, and just a little bit, not too much of glitters, but yeah, little bit of glitter is necessary. I'm using this small brush to apply the glitter, and the glitter glue I'm using is from NYX. Just a little bit in my outer corner of my lid, not on full eyelids, but just the outer corner. And I will just curl my eyelashes and apply a single coat of mascara, and the mascara I am using is again from Maybelline, the Hypercurl waterproof mascara, and I will apply just a single coat of it because I'm gonna apply the falsies, and the falsies I'm using is this back 60. So I will be back after applying this falsies. Yeah, I'm back after applying my falsies and fastly move to the eyebrows. Here I am just giving shape to my eyebrows, and for that I am using the brow pomade from Focalier, and it's in the shade dark brown. And now to fill in my brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade, and it's in the shade 104 Brunette, and I'm just filling up my brows quickly. So yeah, done with the eyebrows, and now straightly move to the base makeup as we have already applied our moisturizer. So here I'm going to apply the primer, that is the Insight Primer 3-in-1, and I will be applying it just my usual places where I tend to get more oily, like T-zone, my forehead, around my mouth and nose, and whatever left in my hand I'm just dragging it all over my face and neck. Now for foundation, I am using the Huda Beauty foundation, and it's in the shade Amaretti. Just a single pump is enough for me, and I will be applying it with my Wet Beauty blender. Do not forget your ear. Now to highlight, I am using the concealer, that is the Maybelline Eye Eraser concealer, and I'm going to apply it in the usual places like under my eye area, my chin, cupid's bow, nose and forehead. Now as you know, I like to keep it like this, and for contouring I am using the stick from Focalier, and it's in the shade Coffee. So I'm just applying it under my cheekbone, my jawline and sides of the nose. Now here I'm first going to blend my contour with the Angle Fluffy brush. You have to blend the contour below the cheekbone in the up direction, and for the jawline you have to blend it in the downwards direction. And now I am blending my concealer with the help of my Wet Beauty blender. And to set the concealer, I am using again the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 20 Light Medium, and I'm just applying it under my eye area and the places where I have applied the concealer. And to bronze my face, I am using the bronzer from Makeup Revolution London, and I will apply it with the same brush, and it's in the shade Bronzer Kiss. And now with the help of powder brush, I will just wipe off whatever the excess powder is. And now for blush, I am using the stick from Chambord, and it's in the shade Crimson 203, and it's in the stick form, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks. And now blend it with the blush brush. And if you feel it's too much, then you can take your Wet Beauty blender and just press it from the side you have applied the foundation, so that it gets covered up and it looks seamless. Now let's get back to the eyes, as we have to make the upper and the lower part of the eyes to complement each other. I hope you got what I wanted to say. So yeah, here I will just tightline the upper waterline with the black kajal. And now I'm tightlining the lower waterline with the blue gel liner, and it's from Revlon. And now I will just blend the lower lash line with this NB eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, and it's a beautiful green shimmery color. So I will just blend it with the help of this small brush. And now I'm just applying the mascara in my lower lash line. And for highlighter, I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Molten Rose Gold. And I'm going to apply the highlighter with this brush by pinching it a little bit on my cheekbones, under my brow bone, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and little bit in my chin. And for my lips, I'm gonna apply two lipsticks from Revlon, and those are, one is Passion and the second one is Flirtation, and I'm gonna combine these two lipsticks. And to set my foundation, I am using the setting spray from Wet n Wild, and it's a matte finishing setting spray. And just shake it well before spraying and spray it on your face. So yeah, this is the final look. As you can see, the look has turned out to be very pretty, glittery, bold and gorgeous, and yet traditional. So you can wear it for your Mehndi ceremony. If you like the video, then please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon, and it's totally free and you can get the notifications of my new videos. Yeah, and do comment me in the comment section below about the look, whether you liked it or not. And you can also follow me on my Facebook and Instagram, and the links I will be giving in the description box below. Yeah, do check it. And yeah, see you till next time. Bye.